The timeless joy of a tire swing is a classic addition to any backyard or playground. With its simple design and endless possibilities for fun, a tire swing brings nostalgic delight to both children and adults. Let's dive into the world of tire swings and explore the reason why they continue to captivate our imaginations. Back to simplicity. A tire swing epitomizes the beauty of simplicity. With just a sturdy tree branch or swing set frame and an old tire, you can create a source of endless entertainment. The minimalistic design allows for creativity and flexibility in how the swing is used. It's a throwback to a time when fun was found in the simplest of things. Unleash the adventurer within. A tire swing ignites the spirit of adventure in both young and old. As children take hold of the ropes and start swinging, their imaginations soar to new heights. From gentle back and forth motion to daring twists and turns, a tire swing becomes a vehicle for exploration and a catalyst for endless hours of outdoor play. Multi-generational appeal. One of the remarkable aspects of a tire swing is its ability to transcend generations. It's not just a playtime staple for children but also a nostalgic reminder for adults of carefree days gone by. Parents and grandparents can relive their childhood memories while sharing the joy of swinging with their own children and grandchildren. It's a simple pleasure that brings generations together. Versatile design. Tire swings come in various forms, allowing for customization to suit different preferences and spaces. You can choose to hang a single tire for a traditional swinging experience or get creative with multiple tires arranged in a cluster or stacked formation. Some tire swings even come with added features like wooden seats or handles, providing extra comfort and safety. Thrills and skills. Aside from the sheer joy of swinging, tire swings also offer opportunity for developing physical coordination and balance. Children learn to adjust their body movements, build strength in their arms and legs, and master the art of balance. It's a playful way to enhance motor skills and encourages physical activity while having an absolute blast. In conclusion, a tire swing is a timeless symbol of carefree fun and adventure. Whether it's hanging from a tree branch in the backyard or suspended from a sturdy swing set frame, the tire swing never fails to bring a smile and laughter. So embrace the simplicity, unleash your inner adventurer, and let the tire swing transport you to a world of endless joy and unforgettable memories.